Good morning, everybody. I'm Liz Simon. I am an attorney at Akin in their DC office, and we are going to be talking today about ethics and discovery. And what I hope to give you over the next hour is basically a good primer on ethical practice in common issues that'll arise in most litigation practices, or really in any practice where you'll be doing discovery with or for your clients. So I'll start out with a few disclaimers. The views today are my views. They are not my firm's views, my client's views, or any organization or committee in which I am involved. I am not giving you legal advice, and this will not, you shouldn't consider it legal advice, and certainly I'm not your attorney in anything. And I always caution people that ethics rules and the cases interpreting their rules will vary by jurisdiction, sometimes quite significantly. I'll point out some of those variations today, but you should always look at your state rules and your applicable cases before you, take any action in any kind of a case. So today, what we're going to cover are the applicable ethics rules, and I'll spend a good amount of time on that. And then we'll go through some discovery issues. We'll talk about some best practices and some takeaway tips. And then I'll have a resource page at the end of the presentation, just that has a few of the items that I talked about today. And I'll also occasionally refer to cases or things like that. And if you miss something, or if I mentioned a case that you're interested in, just, drop something in the Q&A and I'll be happy to get you that resource. So applicable ethics rules. When it comes to discovery, there are a lot of ethics rules that apply, and we'll go through them briefly, and here are some of them. There are more. The first one really is the one that is the most important, and it's competence. We obviously need to know what we're doing when we take on a case. We don't necessarily have to have that knowledge at the outset, but we need to have it and gather it along, or associate ourselves with people that have the requisite skills to do the work that needs to be done, whether that's e-discovery vendors, other attorneys in our firm, outside counsel. It can come in a lot of different ways. So, but when it comes to discovery, the rules have evolved over time, and this rule, particularly comment 8, has evolved.